Ito na nga. Ito na yun.
Ano mo?
Will you marry me?
Nakakainis kayo.
Ano?
Siyempre naman.
Ay! Bawal ang kiss.
Siyempre naman.
Bawal ang kiss dito ah. Sa kamay lang. Ano siyempre naman? Ano sagot?
Nakakainis kayo. Oo nga, oo.
Oo? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes naman.
Yun!
Sunod mo na.
Yung nakasya kaya. Awa. Kumaya. Sabi niya,
Ito nakakainis to.
left or right?
Right.
Right lang.
Ah, left pala. Bidyan na ganun.
Kasya kaya. Left daw. Yahoo!
It's just got to be you. My life has just begun. I finally found someone. I finally found someone. Did I keep you waiting? I apologize.
Baby, that's fine.
I will wait forever just to know you are mine. Ooh, I love your hair.
It looks
I
right.
love what you're wearing.
Isn't it too tight?
You're exceptional. I can't wait for the rest of my life. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone. Someone.